Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, iCloud backup or a local copy so you can delete safely. Once done, open Settings and tap General, then iPhone Storage to see how Photos contributes. Make sure to free up ephemeral items first. Now open the Photos app and go to Recents and Albums. You'll start purging duplicates and poor shots. Select multiple items by tapping Select, then dragging or tapping individual thumbnails to prepare for deletion. Now you focus on execution. In Photos, you select and drag across images to highlight large batches, then tap Delete to move them to recently deleted. Make sure to check live photos and videos separately. Videos take much more space. If photos still consume storage, go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, and Offload App to remove the app binary while retaining settings. Once you confirm deletions, empty Recently Deleted to reclaim space immediately. Finish by verifying your work. Return to Settings, General iPhone Storage, and confirm the photo's size dropped. If the change doesn't appear right away, restart the iPhone to force recalculation. This often resolves caching delays. Make sure iCloud Photos syncs if you rely on cloud storage. If something goes wrong and you need files back, restore from your backup, but first confirm you have enough free space to complete a restore successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.